Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily integrate Shopify with AliExpress, so you can basically get your products to a whole another level. First things first, we have to log in into our Shopify account as an admin, and we want to focus on the left corner of our screen, where's the online store. Right now, we have themes, blog post, pages, navigation, and preferences. And actually, I made a mistake. We want to go to settings, or apps. But let's go through settings, which is all the way on the bottom left part. And then click on maps and sales channels. Right now, we want to open up the Shopify App Store. Just like that. We're gonna hit that Amazon option, and we want to use Amazon by Codisto. It's already installed in my channel, so you should do the same. And just open app. And actually I made another mistake because we are gonna do Amazon and AliExpress as well. So let's go with AliExpress. And we want to use the DSers AliExpress drop shipping. And you see, I already got installed that as well. So basically I showed you how to do it with Amazon by mistake and with AliExpress as well. So once you click there, you open the app and you log in into your AliExpress account, and you'll be able to merge it all together. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.